For over a decade, Jyoti Sureka Venom has carried the weight of a sport that has often stood in the shadows compound archery. With over 65 international medals, including World Cup and Asian Game golds, she has become India's most decorated and consistent force in the discipline. But accolades aside, recognition has been slower to come. Left out of the Khel Ratna shortlist 2 years in a row, Jyoti's journey has been so much about mental resilience as it has been about physical precision. Now, with the historic inclusion of compound archery in the 2028 LA Olympics, the landscape has completely shifted. In this conversation, we explore what that shift means. How does it feel to finally be seen? Does the pressure rise now that the Olympic gold is on the table? And how do you stay grounded and when the target and the world is finally watching? Jyoti, first of all, thank you for being here and congratulations on the Olympic inclusion of compound archery and your recent goal at the World Cup. Let's start with the big news. How did you feel mentally and emotionally when you heard that compound archery had finally been added to the Olympic roster?
Firstly, thank you so much for all your wishes. And we were extremely happy when we heard the news of the compound being included in the Olympics. Like, we have been waiting to hear this from so long, and now it's finally out, and we are extremely happy.
That's great to know. You know, is the drive different now? Perhaps more interest knowing that there's an Olympic medal at stake. How does your preparation change with this news?
As you know, it's like more than 3 years from now for the Olympics, and it's just the news that Compound will be in the LA 28 is out, but we still don't have the news about like how many teams. Like, as you know, it's mixed team event in the Olympics, so we still don't know that how many teams will be participating there and how and when and where the qualification for the Olympics will be done. So we just have to wait for all the information to come out so that maybe to plan things accordingly.
So, no Olympic specific preparation has started yet.
Not as of now, because as I said, the news is only out, not the procedure and all. So for now, it's only the tournaments for this year because we have major events lined up. So the main focus will be on that.
Jyoti, with how well you have been doing, you've been a force in this discipline. How do you
Mhm.
personally handle the expectations that will come with being a medal prospect for LA? All eyes will be on you.
Uh, as I said, it's 3 years from now, and I like personally, I would like to focus on the events that are in hand for me, and I would like to give my 100% in those events and win medals for the country.
All right, all right. And now that the Olympic recognition is here, do you feel a sense of validation? Or is there still, a lingering frustration about the years where compound archers were sidelined?
I think things are changing and will be for the good, I believe. And yeah, we are just waiting. Like, we have been waiting to get equal importance. Like, as I said earlier, what is our fault? Like, the athletes, if the event is not in the Olympics, we have been representing India and many other international events, be it the Asian Games or the World Championships and other World Cups and World Games. We have been representing and we have been winning medals for the country. So you should not define an athlete like or like a person based on only if it is an Olympic event or not.
Look, and you mentioned India doing so well in compound archery throughout tournaments that have been happening around the world. How have you guys been preparing? And you have been dominating throughout.
Mhm. I think we are just working hard each and every day to give our best in each and every tournament we participate in. And we are working on improving ourselves and winning as many medals as possible for our country.
And when we look at Asian Games, that will also be obviously a target next year, only a year to go. What are the
Mhm.
preparations looking like? I know you guys will be a force, but still, anything special that is going on within the team?
Nothing as of now because we have World Cups. Like the season's just started for us this year, and it's only one tournament that we are done with, and we still have a tournament each and every month. So we have World Cup stages, we have World Championship and Asian Championships this year. So we would like to focus on that first and the Asian Games next year.
Since we're talking about India doing so well already, but now that there's an Olympic inclusion, having a medal there, suppose you win a
Mhm.
medal at the LA 28 Olympics, how
Mhm.
much will that help compound archery as a brand in India?
I think that medal would not only be for the compound, I think it would be for the whole archery community because we have been waiting, like all the archery community has been waiting to get that one single medal for the country at the Olympics. So that would be great to have that medal.
And also, when you talk about young women picking up the sport, I think you there as an icon, as a leading force trailblazer, will help women pick up compound archery quite a lot.
As you can see, like there are many young archers who are taking up archery as a sport, and not only compound, if even in recurve, the number of archers taking it up seriously are growing. The numbers are growing, and the competition is growing in a good way. Because if there's no competition, you can't, maybe it's just a good sign to have good competition because you keep working harder and keep like digging out things which can help you improve your skill. I think it's a good way, and I think the numbers will start to grow even more in the near future.
Absolutely. And, Jyoti, you've openly talked about the pain of being overlooked for the Khel Ratna, even
Mhm.
after securing the highest points. What kind
Mhm.
of emotional toll did that take on you, and how did you keep going despite the institutional silence?
uh, I think that was a phase which was painful, I would like to mention, but it's just that you must move on, I believe, and I did the same. So I had the support of many people, like who stood by me, like be it my family or be it my friends or be it the archery community. I think, yeah, they all helped me. Like it's just not the award you have to focus on, it's the other. You have to look at it in a broader perspective, maybe. Like it's not the end. So I just kept working hard and, yeah, competing.
Jyoti, you spoke about the team and that necessarily the preparation, Olympic specific preparations have not begun. But I want to know your perspective. What are your mental goals for 2028? Are you visualizing yourself standing on that podium?
uh, as I said, the news is just out and it's still a long way to go. I would love to be there representing the country at the Olympics, but uh, keeping your performance in the same level, like maintaining your performance at the same level for the next coming 3 years is a bit, would be really challenging because I've been representing the country for the past 14 years, I believe. I've been representing the Indian senior team from 2011. It's been a long journey, and now maintaining it again for the next 3 years would be a little challenging for me. I have to work on many things to maintain my performance, and as I said, the competition is growing in a good way, and to compete with the youngsters also will be challenging. I think I just have to figure out things and see if I can make it. So yeah.
Jyoti, you yourself said that you've been in this sport for over 14, 15 years.
Mhm.
With your accolades, as your accomplishments have grown, how has the corporate support been?
As everyone knows, like the first priority has been given to the Olympic events or Olympic athletes, right? Olympic event athletes, and but there are very few organizations or corporates which come forward to help you, even if your event is not included in the Olympics. So I think that should be changed, because Olympics should not only be the criteria to support athletes. If you want to support athletes, come in a full-fledged way. No matter if it is an Olympic sport or not, you need to support them. And now that the compound is included, there are many organizations that has come forward to support the athletes.
That's great to hear. And final question to you, Jyoti, if you had one message for young compound archers in India today, especially those
Mhm.
struggling with recognition for support or love, what would it be?
I think the after the news that has come out that compound is being included in the LA, many things has changed till now, and hopefully it'll change for more in the future. And just keep working hard, and you will have, if you have the right guidance, and if you have that, the goal, if you have a very well defined goal and you want to reach it, just work hard. Just you have everything in your, what would I say? Uh, like everyone is there to help you now, no matter what. So just keep working hard and just keep winning medals for the country.
Well, I know you haven't started your preparations yet, but we have started visualizing you on that podium. And we wish you all the best for your future. Jyoti, thank you so much for speaking to us and chat with you
Thank you.
again soon.
Thank you. Thank you so much.